Studying in Melbourne is a vivid experience when your stay is sorted with premium student housing option. The Unilodge on Riversdale, Melbourne is a premium accommodation for international students, for them to imbibe the Australian spirit and have a leisure of a cozy living space. The air-conditioned 2-bedroom apartments offer clean bathrooms, well-lit study areas, and balconies attached with some rooms from where you can soak in a bright Aussie sun. Besides television lounge with accent armchairs, free high-speed Wi-Fi, students have free access services like printing. Student get linen kit and kitchen kit. Barbecue terrace is just the cherry on the cake in this property. The University of Melbourne is only a 4-minute drive away. Since you're on your way to adulting in style, get a sample of university life and wash it down with some nice mocktails and munchies from the Auburn Hotel and the Whiplash Cafe. If you enjoy cooking as much as you enjoy dining, Australia's freshest food is available at surrounding stores. If you sprint down Manning Tree Road tram stop, you'll be greeted with the dusky evening breeze of a rosy Australian evening. Event setting and peace of mind go hand in hand. So go ahead and reserve this tiny slice of bliss at amberstudent.com.